Hey guys, Chris from Inspired Physio. Today we're going to show you a taping method we use fairly often for patella tendonitis, jumper's knee, Osgood-Schlatter's. If you've heard any of those kind of things, or if you've googled your knee pain right at the front, just underneath your kneecap there, and you think that might be what you have, then you can give this a whirl and see if it helps. It doesn't fix anything, it just unloads the tendon a little bit to make it less sore while you're using the knee. So of course we still recommend taking care of the soft tissue work and everything that's going to prevent it hanging around. But this is a good sort of little band-aid in the meantime. Alrighty guys, so we're just going to put a layer of tape. So you've got that little bony part, so kneecap here, a little bony bit, patella tendon in between. So we're going to pop some tape over the top. We're using the white tape here because it's a little bit easier on the skin, has a little bit of stretch to it. You can just use the sports tape for the whole thing, that's perfectly fine. So if that's all you've got, then it's not a big deal. So now what we're going to do, we've got our little layer of tape, we're just going to start twisting it up in the middle so that it gets a little bit ropey. Give it a twist so we get some. So what we're going to use is this little ropey bit in the middle. You're going to set one side. I'm just going to hold that down, tension it over the tendon, and then place the other side down. So we're going to do two here today. Depending on how bad the pain is and how restricted the person is, might do one, might do two. I generally don't do more than two. And if it's that sore that you've got to do 3 or 4, you're probably better off just resting, to be honest. I'm going to pop this one just slightly underneath the first. Hold it down, tension it up, pop the tape down. And then we're just going to put one final piece of tape over the top. So again, here today we're using the white tape. But if you're just using the brown sports tape, that's fine as well. All done.